Uno no hear what go on between Shani and CMR. CMR from the Carter family. Crissy husband. You know, CMR fly out Shani, go Miami, give her backyard. Yeah, she come with her receipt, she come with all the backyard, come show up on live. Where she have theme with him big name, the pan the backyard and everything.
Now certain things Jamaican men need to avoid. Now Jamaican men, if you have a side chick, stop treat her like wife. Right? Because on a bill house for side chick, I open up bank accounts and I get credit card for side chick, I get US visa for side chick, and all of them things there. And I need to stop it. This is why a lot of Jamaican women get deleted, because when the side chick get what she want, she left and go find her own man. Right? Now Jamaican men, only need to start think with this instead of that. Right? Because too many times me I read the newspaper or we go up on YouTube and me hear, oh, you know, this man delete him side chick because she go find a new man. When you financially invest in someone, chances are you will delete them. Right? Because it's an investment. So Jamaican men, you need to start using a common sense. Stop treat these side chicks like say them are your wife. They're not your wife. A side chick is supposed to be fun. Your wife is supposed to be a wife. You do anything for your wife. You're not supposed to do nothing for your side chick. More than give her some cocky and that's it. Yeah? Come on fellas, using a brain. Stop making them woman play on like fiddle.